Alright, so we got a set of factory Ford Alcoa dually wheels that I'm going to be milling out, and these traditional small holes, I'm going to be boring them out a little bit bigger to give a more semi look on the truck that we're going to be building. So here's a look at what the bigger holes after I milled this set right here. They look a lot better. So we got 2 more rims left, so we're going to knock these out, and we're going to go set them on the truck and see what they look like. So we got all the dually wheels milled out. The holes look a lot better than they were. They're about double the size, so they're completely finished, and I might get them polished again, and then we'll get some tires on there, and we're gonna get some more videos of that. Just to prove, these do have the original Ford stamped on them, so these aren't custom blanks or anything. Yeah, these look sweet. The big hole does make a big difference, especially in the rear, like when the rim slipped around. About to set this boom headache rack down and get it going. The thing is fucking huge. Getting these drums removed. Put some brakes, some discs on this bad boy. Alright, so we're pressing the studs in for the RatRod, converting them to 9/16 from the 5/8. So a little tedious job here, but it's got to get done so we can run spacers to be able to run the XMLs.
And disc brakes.
Yeah, super important. You can start feeling it when you get through the steel, pressing these splines, and it gets real tight. Let me see that masterpiece. Right there, all the studs pressed in. It's on the ground right there. Trick right here LP's got. Tighten her up right where it needs to be square. Mark your line. Alright. Alright.
I'll rotate it around a little bit. Right there. Beautiful technique. Dude, you felt bad about grinding your side. Look at this side.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Let the jack down.
Look good.
Yeah, Bobby. Damn, the rear is fucking done, dude.
Got some meat on her now.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, that shit is killer. Got Mikey over here killing it with the paint. Man, that literally couldn't have come out any better. What you doing, puppy? What you doing?